Hello all, today in this video I am going to show an implementation for mango disease classification in MATLAB using some different activation function which is we are using apart from the ReLU layer. So you can see we are defined a class definition for that. You can see it's an e-prelude layer. E-prelude layer we have to, other than prelude layer, we have to create some layers. If you are defining, seeing how to create a new activation layer in MATLAB, means you can just get a class definition. From that you have to just edit what is the activation function you need, and you have to just change that line, that is line number 30. So then you have to run with our data set. Before that we have to call that layer over here. So then as usual normal function. So now I am just running the code. So can see the code is running. We are having 8 classes of mango disease. So this is the 8 classes of them. Since we are using a new layer, these are the 8 classes of images. So once pre-processing is done, you can see the 8 classes. Here we are using 10 approaches. Here you can see 10 approaches. It takes some time. Since we have to run 10 approaches, it takes some time. So where we have declared this 10 approaches is in the training options. We have declared the 10 approaches. If you are thinking that this thing is taking time or more complexity, you can just reduce the number of approaches to 5, 7 and all based on your need. So we have created a new layer, so we will get a warning like this. If you don't want this warning message, means you have to just click just put a message like warning off. Here we are clearing the workspace and everything's and all. No, so in that you have to just put an line there's a warning off. So this warning will be cleared since it's we are renaming the original layer, and we are creating some new layers. Its warning is declared. So this is the code for that. So once it is running, you can see the values for approach, iteration, time elapsed, mini batch accuracy, then validation accuracy, mini batch loss, validation loss, and base learning rate. Now first approaches is running. You can see over by this line. First approaches is has completed. So the first approach value is displayed over here. Once all the 10 approaches will be completed, everything will be displayed in this line. If you want to get this value, means here in the options panel, you have to just give that you are having this verbose. In the verbose option, we have to just give true. So once you are giving the true, we will just get this output. So let it run. So we shall wait till that. So this output display I will show in the next video. What is the accuracy? Now itself you can see it is reaching, validation accuracy is reaching more than 90. Here also you can see 85 it is reaching. Validation for accuracy it's 87. So they will make another video to just complete the end of this code and what is the output we are displayed, so that you can see in the next video. Why? Because it will take some time, so we can see as a part 2 video. Thank you.